Here's a 2010 Honda Accord sedan. Honda made no compromises with this luxurious and practical Accord. And get ready for an impressive combination of features: integrated navigation system with voice activation, Bluetooth hands-free link, front heated leather bucket seats, auto-dimming rear-view mirror, key fob activated rear windows, dual-zone climate control, inline 4-cylinder engine, express open and closed sliding and tilting sunroof, gas pressurized shocks, and manual transmission. Edmunds.com finds the Honda Accord offers an appealing combination of spaciousness, a relatively upscale feel, and a reputation for reliability. Honda has a world-renowned reputation for reliability. The time is now. See it for yourself today.
Pohanka Honda of Fredericksburg is a great place to buy a car. Conveniently located at 60 South Gateway Drive in Fredericksburg.